Occasionally, you may encounter a scenario where environmental factors are creating a bottleneck, causing data protection operations to perform suboptimally. Commvault has made it easy to identify these bottlenecks, test performance, and identify steps that can be taken to optimize your environment. From the Command Center, you can view the job details of any running job or any previously run job from the job history. The Job Details pane will give the details of the average throughput performance of the job. It will break down the throughput into read, write, DDB, and network categories. This breakdown is useful for locating where the potential bottleneck may be, allowing you to investigate further. If the Job Details view is showing a slow throughput, with a high percentage for the network category, it is likely that the bottleneck is within the network environment. Commvault provides a tool on any device where Commvault software is installed that allows you to check network connectivity and performance between devices. CVNetworkTestTool.exe is located in the base folder of the Commvault installation directory. For performance testing, the CVNetworkTestTool runs in a client-server mode, so you will need to consider which machine you need to run the tool on. Usually the server side should be the affected media agent, and the client side should be the affected client. When the tool launches, you will be presented with the lookup test screen. Here you can check the name resolution for any client in the environment. Enter the fully qualified host name, hit submit, and the tool will check resolution against host files and both DNS forward and reverse lookup. You will see the summary output for the tests and the detailed log output at the bottom. The next tab is for service checks. Here you check that the correct services are running on specific devices in the environment. You can specify if the server being checked has the CommServe, media agent, and/or client role enabled. The right-hand pane will show the port status details broken down by service type. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the detailed log output. The final tab is for the network check, which is running client-server mode. Firstly, on the server side, which is likely to be a media agent, ensure server mode is selected, then enter the listening IP for the server and the port used for listening. By default, this is set to 25,000. However, this can be any user-specified port, providing it is open for communications between devices. Hit the play button to initiate the listener. Now on your client device, you will need to launch CVNetworkTestTool.exe from the base folder of the Commvault installation directory. Open the Network Check tab and select the client mode. Enter the IP address and/or fully qualified host name of the listening server. Enter the port if different to the default. Test options can be configured using the Settings button. The default values are good for most tests. However, if you are testing a very slow network link, you may want to reduce the number of buffers used, as this will directly impact the duration of the test. Hit the play button to initiate the connection and perform read, write, and delete tests. Once the tests have completed, the tool will display the status and throughput for the test. It is recommended that you run multiple tests and then take an average value across the test results. With CVNetworkTestTool in your toolbox, you can help ensure your environment is running optimally